With the growing concern for energy security, the role of new and renewable energy has assumed increased significance in recent times. India is continuously heading towards clean power, including renewables like wind, hydro, solar, geothermal, bio, and tidal power, to supplement fossil fuel-based electricity generation. Recently, a London-based organization, Ernst & Young, has once again ranked India as the most attractive destination for solar PV investment and deployment in its latest Renewable Energy Country Attractiveness Index. Encouraging the creation of a sustainable world, India ranks third in the Renewable Energy Country Attractive Index in 2021. The nation has planned to achieve about 40% cumulative electric power installed capacity from non-fossil fuel-based energy resources by 2030. India is well on its way to achieve these targets. Let's get to know how. India has attained a cumulative installed renewable energy capacity of 92.54 gigawatts during the period from April 2014 to January 2021. The installed renewable energy capacity of India has increased by 2.5 times, and the installed solar energy capacity has increased 15 times. Globally, today India stands fourth in renewable energy power capacity, fourth in wind power, and fifth in solar power capacity. Moreover, the country has one of the highest rates of growth for renewable energy in the world. It can be gauged from the fact that during the period 2014 to 2019, renewable energy programs and projects in India attracted an investment of $64.2 billion. The nation has witnessed some of the major investments and developments in the Indian renewable energy sector. The PM Kusum scheme is one of the largest initiatives in the world to provide clean energy to more than 3.5 million farmers by solarizing their agriculture farms. The government has also introduced the Solar Parks program to facilitate solar project developers to set up projects in a plug-and-play model. The scheme for the development of solar parks has a target capacity of 40 gigawatts. Further, emphasis has also been laid on green and clean energy to facilitate the evacuation of electricity from renewable energy projects. The Green Energy Corridor scheme has also been launched for setting up of transmission and evacuation infrastructure. Apart from this, the greening of islands has been one of the major initiatives to meet the energy demands for renewable energy sources. The government intends to fully convert Andaman and Nicobar, Lakshadweep Islands to green energy, and the ministry has also provided a 40% capital subsidy for projects under the scheme. Not only this, but some special measures have also been implemented to promote the growth of renewable energy. The steps include ensuring round-the-clock power from the renewable energy power projects, renewable energy hybrid projects, and solar cities, where at least one city in each of the states of India is being developed as a solar city. Following the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat and the clarion call to be vocal for local, several steps have been taken to enhance the domestic manufacturing of renewable energy machinery, components, and equipment. For this, a PLI scheme has been approved by the government for encouraging the production of high-efficiency solar modules. To facilitate investors for setting up manufacturing plants in India, a project development cell has also been established in the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. Certain other concepts have also been explored to develop and deploy alternate fuels. These fields incorporate One Sun, One World, One Grid, which aims to generate round-the-clock electricity from the sun, and Hydrogen Energy Mission to enable cost-competitive green hydrogen production, storage, distribution, and application technologies. The renewable energy sector has the potential to create many employment opportunities at all levels, especially in rural areas. Therefore, the government has already undertaken various large-scale sustainable power projects, thus creating a clean and green environment for all. We will be back with some more updates. Thanks for watching.